Hello, welcome back to another video with Mommy's DIYs. In this channel, we concentrate in creating handmade DIYs so that you can either gift them or make money out of them. In most of the videos, I concentrate also in giving you the breakdown so that you know how much you're going to invest and how much you're going to profit. From right now until about the middle of December, I'm going to be doing different DIYs that you can sell for Christmas or that you can give to your family. But if you're new in this channel, please go ahead and like my video and subscribe if you haven't, and give me thumbs up. That will really help me a lot. But for right now, let me organize my table and let's get to work. Okay, here we are ready to work again. The video that I'm going to share with you guys, I'm very excited about because I've been looking so much for a etching cream or something to do color. And if you look at this, let me bring it over here. I etched it first and then I did like a gold tone. The colors don't come out too bright, but you can definitely see. This one came out really good. For some reason, but anyways, these ones I got at the dollar store. They're the large beer mugs. And this is the small one. And on this one, I did it in red. And for some reason, in some spots, it's not getting colored. I really wasn't pleased with the red. But I found a package of all these different colors. And I'm going to put a link on the description box so that you can go straight to where you can get it. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and put how much it cost. It usually has 2 of the white, 2 of the gray, 2 of the gold, and I use the gold, so I should have it somewhere. 2 of the black, and then it has 1 yellow, 1 red, 1 green, and 1 blue. And the red, I just use it for this one here, and it seems like it's drying out, like it doesn't have enough ink. So I need to figure that out. Okay, so the red one wasn't one of my favorite, but definitely the gold one. It's just looks so amazing. Look at that. Okay, one of my subscribers asked me if I knew of something for etching in color, and I did know about these, and I bought them, but I hadn't tried them. So here it is. So the one that I'm gonna do right now, this is for my son-in-law, and this is a dog in the Chinese zodiac. He's the dog. So I'm gonna be doing this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my things aside, and like always, I'm gonna put descriptions of everything I'm using. Another thing is, like, you need to make sure that your mug or whatever it is that you're gonna color, that it was etched in every single spot. That's what I noticed. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start this way so you can see, like, from the top. And basically what you do, you need a paper towel or a towel, a regular towel that you don't need anymore, because it's going to get the paint all over. So I'm going to start, I'm not going to go this way because I don't want to waste so much ink, but I'm just going to go over the color. And you're just going to cover as much as you can, just like so. So you got to do a little bit at a time. Okay, almost like if you're drawing. So once you got like a piece like that, then you're gonna grab this and you're gonna go down. And what it also does is that the paint that you use here is going to help you paint the down. So right here, you're going to use less ink. Okay, so you just, it's almost like I basically did all that line. Okay, so you need to do a little bit at a time, and look at how nice it looks. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do another one. So we're just going to go on the line. A spot. Don't do a spot too big where the ink starts drying, because then it ends up like a big chunk that you can only take off with a nail polish remover or something similar to that. So here it is. So again, I'm going to do my stroke down. And it did the whole thing. See that? Now the blue, I think the red is just defective, because the gold and this blue is just so nice. The other one was, the red was like, I don't like the way it looks. But this one, I'm very very happy about what it does. And see how it has enough ink. The red one is almost dry and it's brand new. So go figure. Here we go. See how much the ink, it's spreading a lot of ink, and with the red, that's not the case. So there's another spot, which is go all the way down. And see how it's like doing the whole thing. Another thing that they recommend is that you put this, if you're going to put it in the dishwasher, you can. It's okay to put it in the dishwasher, but you have to put it in the top rack. Okay? So that's that. I'm really, really happy with this blue. Really happy. So this, I think that with the money that you invest, you don't invest so much in the mugs, because you got them, we get them at the Dollar Tree. But your work, because first you had to do the edge, and then you spend vinyl there, you spend time there. So I'm planning on selling these for between $12.95 and $15.95. Okay, depending on how big this is. So that's just an idea. And I'm gonna put the picture of the ones I did on my Facebook. If you want to go ahead and show me what you did, share with me. Maybe we can help each other. So that's what I'm planning to do. Maybe like $12.95 or $14.95, $15. I don't think more than $15.95. But it's looking good. Look at that. So this is almost we are almost to the end. This is a very nice gift, like for the last minute Christmas gift, right? Men are so hard to please. Maybe we give them boxers, or we give them handkerchiefs or socks, and sometimes it's hard to buy it for a man. So just personalize a nice mug like this, and I bet you he's gonna be happy with it. If he's into football, you can make him something like a football or the team that he follows, or there's a whole bunch of ideas. But here it is. Look at that. I'm very pleased with it, and I'm still waiting to finish drying so that I can clean it better, but it looks nice and sharp. So there it is, your mug with color etched. And I didn't do the etching to show you, because I already have another video that I'm going to put up here for you if you want to learn how to etch first. There it is. I also did a video where I did the comparison between these two, and I'm in love with this one. I used this one for quite some time, but now I'm in love with this one. So you can go check out that video too. I'm going to put a link over here and a link in the description box. But hey, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed and you are enjoying the content of my videos, please subscribe, like, and share. That will help me. You have no idea how much it will help me. For now, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And talk to you soon.